As a married mother of legislation, I'm just going to share about how I have a concern for the safety of society when individuals are not respecting the laws that be. As I've mentioned, there are people that have been trespassing into my property and my personal life since 2016. And to this day, they're still disturbing the peace and they're still breaking the law. As I've mentioned, my humanitarian work saved a lot of lives, and especially between 2017 and 2018, my humanitarian work literally saved many lives and benefited other people's fortuity immensely. So that's my purpose. That's what I've done as a sacred royal. I'm a sacred royal. And it's very dangerous at the moment. I have a very huge concern when there's an abuse of justice or an abuse of power, as there has been in the past in this community and beyond, that has caused a very dangerous affliction with disease and debt and damages. So I'm very concerned about society when there's a repetitive cycle occurring. And I'm very concerned as well when people aren't respecting the judiciary. The DPP have heard from me. They know my impact statements and they have heard from my recollections of these offences that I'm experiencing on a daily basis of treason and hate crime. Hate crime is an offence against the state. Revenge porn is this as well. And whistleblower protection law has been protecting me since 2006. So the issue of being a mother whose property is being trespassed upon, and with, as I mentioned in my previous upload, very dangerous amounts of wealth being stolen, very huge amounts of wealth being stolen. There's a cycle occurring in this county, unfortunately, that is perpetuating the past endeavours of debt and fraud and harm to the future. So there are people in my proximity, and regardless of my circumstances, my belongings and my person are royal patronage. And regardless of these people being lawbreakers and disrespectful and ignorant of the facts, the fact of the matter is there's whistleblower protection laws, there's royal patronage protection, my farm holdings of my marriage that are of my name, they're of Regent's law protection that protects this person and my personal information. These things have to be stipulated to these people because they've broken so many laws. They've took a child. They took a child from a mother, this mother, in 2017. So they're doing what they want. And they're stealing left, right and centre, and they're perpetuating the cycle of fraud and disease and malice again. So this is very serious. That's a matter I'm bringing to the attention of the European Union. My work has benefited many at home and abroad, and the dangers of the Human Rights Declaration being disrespected in a small town due to individuals of theft and fraud and exploitation and slander and avoidance of their damages to my child, and developing artificial intelligence with my sacred light without my consent. I hope the European Union is aware of how dangerous the circumstances caused with these people as liabilities being facilitated and the judiciary being disrespected. So I hope everyone's respecting the laws that be.